These are some of the best deals on gifts that I have seen, and if you have some last minute gift ideas, this is going to be the best resource for you. I have like the Walmart's Ultimate Gift Guide. I'm going to be giving you over 30 last minute gift ideas that are all on deal right now. So like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box so you easily can shop the complete looks. We got a little bit of everything in here. So I will have chapters listed down below in the bar. So if you're looking for a home, a kitchen, kids, you can scroll through to get exactly to where you need to be. Let's go ahead and get started. Literally could not contain my excitement when I saw that the Ninja Foodie was included right now on deal. You can save $30 off. This has been selling out everywhere. It's a top seller this year for gift ideas, and it's just great. Basically, you can take your like favorite frozen items and make them into a treat. So if you love ice cream, you have a sweet tooth, this is a game changer because you can make healthy ice cream. This does come with two 16-ounce storage pints with lids. Everybody's favorite has been the Ninja Creamy. They also have the sparkling water maker as well. So basically it lets you kind of connect your flavor and your fizz together and make like a whole different array of drinks. So this one's really unique. I think would be such a great gift idea to give to someone. Great office gift for your boss. So you also can save $30 off of this right now. Always a top gift around this time of year. So we're seeing 25% off of your typical like one serving size Keurig. I mean, there's a reason why this is a bestseller every single year. It has stood the test of time. You can grab it for 25% off. You can also grab the Keurig Dual for $20 off. So this you can make a whole pot of coffee as well as single serve, which personally I think this is the best, especially if you have guests come over, you can do a single serve, or if you have a lot of family that drinks coffee every morning, a pot would be better. Right now you can grab this for under $80. I have been looking into more non-toxic household kitchen products, and I saw that the Green Life 18-piece set, you can save $70 on it, which is incredible. Over 700 star reviews, and you can get it for under $6 for 18 pieces. You have your complete kitchen set. So great for newly married couples. Maybe you know someone in your family who's mentioned they've wanted to go more like non-toxic cleaner products. This would be a great idea. And this gorgeous gray set will look stunning in any kitchen. Another hot gift this season is the ice nugget maker. Specifically, you're seeing GE run on major deal right now. You can grab it for $231 off. I mean, I have not seen a sale price on this. I don't think anywhere else quite like that. So you can also grab the Nespresso Virtual Pop for under $100. You guys know, if you followed for a while, I love my Nespresso machine. Hands down, I think it makes the best coffee, and the Virtual Pop under $100 is great for a small compact space as well. So great for dorm rooms. You can put this away in the cabinet if you just use it in the morning, but you can get the pods on Amazon. I just get my pods on Amazon and it does the trick. A great gift idea or office gift idea is the Soda Stream. You guys know this is just if you know someone in your life who loves sparkling water, you can go ahead and grab the Soda Stream for under $80 today. It comes in a gorgeous blue, a red, and a cream color. And essentially this just turns your plain water into delicious sparkling water in seconds, and you can add flavor drops to it. Moving on to some tech favorites, two awesome TV deals, which I know are a popular item to just grab this time of year when lots of deals are happening. You can grab the Samsung 65-inch 4K TV for over 50% off. Over 50% off. Over 130 star reviews on Walmart's website. This does have the 4K resolution and the 16:9 ratio. We're also seeing the Samsung 75-inch for 16% off, so a little bit less percentage off, but this is a little bit of a larger TV, but you're getting it at a better price than the one I just shared. You can get the 75-inch for $647. Over 1,200 star reviews on Walmart's website. This is also a really great gaming device. So if you know someone who likes to game, this particular screen would be a really great option. $50 off. And this is great because this can literally charge 3 devices at once. So if you know someone who loves to travel, or if you feel like you struggle every time you travel with all of your devices losing their battery, this would be a really great option. And when you actually charge the bank, I would charge it at night. It takes about 2 hours and 27 minutes to fully recharge, and then you're good to go to charge your devices for the following day. If you are looking for a smartwatch, I found a really great deal on the Samsung Galaxy. This is particularly the stainless steel black version. I feel like this would be such a great gift idea for any man. I feel like it just looks so sleek and it has so many cool features. You can see your overall sleep quality with it. You can measure accurate heart readings. And it has like a whole array of like workout things that you can check out as you're working out that personally I love. I love to see like heart rates. I like to see distance, steps, all of those things. So this has it all. 61% off. It's originally $380 down to just $160. I have about 5 amazing fashion deals from Walmart. Some great staple pieces. We're gonna start off with this pack of 2 leggings. You can get a pack of 2 leggings under $10 by one of our favorite brands, Time and True. They have a bunch of different color options you can choose for, but you can wear these anywhere from lounging around to underneath a cute sweater dress with knee-high boots. You can't go wrong with these. Slippers are always a popular gift around this time of year. I love the Deerfoams brand. I feel like they're the best quality for the price that you pay. So they have a bunch of different color options. They're going quick, but currently they are $15 and they run true to size. A hot selling item on Walmart's website are these winter boots. You can save over $60 on them right now, making them under $23. So they come in a bunch of color options, run true to size, and I love this brand. I'm sure you've seen the super popular Orale jacket all over. It's well over $100. This is the best look for less on Walmart, and you can grab it for under $26. I actually have this coming up in a new YouTube video. Runs true to size, wearing small, but this is gonna keep you super, super cozy warm. It does have a hood here, and the quality is so nice. I think both of these coats have a place in your wardrobe, but this one is just more of a dressier option. Runs true to size. I love how you can cinch in the waist. I feel like it just looks so flattering, and it comes in multiple colors. And it gives me all of the J. Crew vibes for under $40. Moving on to some home favorites. So the Mainstay, which is one of my favorite home brands on Walmart, tried and true, great. Their 18-piece bath towel set has over 26,000 star reviews, and you can save over $8 right now on this whole set. A bunch of different colors, so if you need to kind of refresh up your bathroom or you want to get this to someone, you can grab it for under $25. One of my most used home items here is the Shark cordless vacuum. It's originally over $300, now down to just $159. I love this one because it's really lightweight, so you can easily just kind of take this up and down stairs with you. I mean, before, like, we just would have to lug around heavy vacuums, and this one has great suction, great longevity. I'm just such a fan of the Shark brand. And speaking of, they also have the Shark mop that is over 50% off today. So you can grab the cordless for carpeting, but then you can do all your hardwood floors, linoleum, anything like that with the mop. And you might want to grab this one because it is a top selling item right now on Walmart's website. You're also going to see the Robo Vacuum. So if you're looking to kind of have like hands off, you don't want to deal with it, you can grab the Robo Vacuum. Over 50% off, and this is great because it has smart mapping, so you can kind of just like control it with your phone. It can go on carpeting and hardwood floor, which to me was key. So this is like a game changer for moms who just have a lot going on. This gray comforter just caught my eye. I thought it looked so stunning for the price. So you can save $38 on this. Comes in queen and king sizing. You can grab it for under $90. Something with bedding is it has to be easy to wash. So it is machine washable, and it does come with a 6-piece set. You're getting a comforter, getting 2 Euro shams, 2 shams, and the bed skirt. So a complete set. And if you were looking to like redo your guest bedroom, or you know someone's moving, this would be a great thoughtful gift. I found 2 random, just really cool items that were unique that I thought I wanted to share if you need some random gift ideas. But first up is going to be this wood burning toolkit. So this is a top seller on Walmart. It's a 55-piece set, and I just thought it was so unique. So this is great for someone who you know is very creative. You're saving $20 off, which brings the 55-piece under $20. But just in general, if you know someone who loves art, or maybe you're looking for a winter activity, you can grab this 171 complete art set for under $20, which honestly, if you go to any like craft store around here, this is like $50 and up. I saw some really great kid deals. Guys, I love the Melissa and Doug brand. I feel like they just have really great quality toys for the price, and a lot of them are educational. But I did see this big size giraffe down to $50, which I think this would just be so fun for a kiddo, especially if they're really into animals like my son is right now. Great little item you can keep in their bedroom, especially if you do like an animal or zoo type of theme in a nursery. For all of the little girls, they do have the Melissa and Doug beauty set for $30. Just comes with this cute little kit that a little girl would just, I mean, when I was that age, I would have loved this. Guys, we are seeing lots of deals on the Squishmallow pillows. There's a bunch of different variations, but you're seeing a good percentage off on these, which this year and last year have been a top gift for kids. Kids Crocs are $7, comes in a whole array of different color options if you're looking to kind of stock up. It's just an easy slip-on shoe that your kiddo can get wet or dry. You can grab them for $7. I also saw they have this really cute jewelry making set for under 18. Now this is for ages 8 and up, but I thought this would kind of be great for like a tween age where they could just make like matching bracelets with their friends. Alrighty, let me know down below which was your favorite deal, which one you're most excited about. Hopefully you found a great gift idea on sale today. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future Walmart videos. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye.